get some groceries or snack items. So we're gonna go get some Korean stuff, like groceries and a bit of snacks. So our challenge today is we're gonna get some snacks that we haven't tried before. So Gabby and I were probably gonna get like 2 things. Okay?
Or maybe 3.
It all depends. We'll see how it goes. So this is the Korean town. Let's go. Here we are. That's Gabby's favorite right there. And we're gonna go get that after too.
We're gonna get some of that later. We're gonna get some of that later.
Which one? Yeah. We can look at all those pretty mangoes. Oh my gosh. Nice.
These ones are really good.
Yeah. It's pretty nice. And this one, I don't know what it is, but maybe
It's
we could try it
melon.
later on.
But snacks, right?
It's like a watermelon, but it's Korean melon.
It's like a orange.
Yeah. We have like fruits. So we're gonna go get a cart.
It's nice.
So we're definitely gonna get this one. It's on sale.
This one.
This one. What about
We
this
already
one?
tried something like this.
But do you want one
No.
for school? What about this pepper? So pepper.
I tried this one.
Facts, guys. So pepper is actually Korean. Poke is Japanese. Should we get one? White cookies? No.
Because I already had one before. This one it looks good, but not for school.
So this is the snack area. So let's see. You go first. You start with things that we haven't tried before.
Try something like this. Ooh. I'm still getting it.
Nope. That's not the challenge.
We tried it.
You already tried it. I think I'm gonna go for something this. We're gonna go get this one. This is mine.
I'm gonna get this. This one's mine.
That one. Now I'm gonna go for something. Yeah. Oh, this one. We always see this in the show, but we never tried this. And every time they eat that in the movie, they always look so good. Like you know, like those sausage.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Should we get one?
Yeah, sure.
Fish sausage, fish sticks. Okay, I'm going for it.
So you got 2 things now.
I got 2 things, but you got one more.
What? I only had 1 thing.
Yeah, you got one more. We're only getting 2.
Oh yeah. Ah, ooh, wait. Where is it? Where's the one?
Mochi. Wow. There's chestnut, Japanese rice cakes, and they have the Hokkaido milk flavor. So pretty much, guys, you get a lot. Oh, this one's okay. Go for that.
Yeah. Oh, you paused the video, I think. Oh, no. Look, this one's like a peanut. This one's like a peanut butter udon.
See all the Korean noodles here. We have this one. And they have the home cooked meals as well if you're feeling lazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Our favorite, Gabby.
Glass noodles. I feel like we went upstairs before.
So these are all. So we need sesame oil. I love sesame seed oil. So these are all the spices, ingredients, like liquid spices. And get some.
I want to get a drink from here. Right?
So what you got there, buddy?
So these are like triangle rice thingies. Look, it says right there, triangle rice. It's this one's a spicy
So we
beef.
haven't tried this one, and I always see people every time they go to Korea or Japan, they always have those things, right?
Yeah, and this
they
one's a tuna mayo.
Look at all this cute drinks. Gabriel,
Yeah.
it's a smoothie.
Smoothie?
How cute are these bottles? Look at this.
Wow. Squishy.
Just love
Don't we
like.
have your cold at home?
So done. We finally got our groceries, and we can't wait to
Get home.
try the snacks. So please don't forget.
To like, subscribe, and click the
And
notification
then
bell.
watch out for our rate the Korean snacks 1 to 10.
So we got our custard like fish.
Fish stick. We've got custard. I got red bean.
Red bean's pretty good, right?
So guys, we're not in Korea. We're in Korean town, Toronto.
Koreatown.